Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video we're going to make citrus jerky. We're using hand squeezed. Let's get right into this video. I'm excited. Alright, need 1/4 cup of lime juice. That was 1/4 cup of lime juice. Next we need 1/2 cup of orange juice. Now we got 1/2 cup of orange juice, fresh squeezed. Now we're going to try to get 1/4 cup of grapefruit juice. 1/4 cup of grapefruit juice. Now on to the basic ingredients in beef jerky. We've got 1/4 cup of soy sauce, just 1 little tablespoon of Worcestershire, a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of granulated garlic, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. About 2 tablespoons of honey in there. Give us a good shake and a taste. Ooh, yeah. We've got 1 pound of stir-fry meat from Walmart, thinly sliced. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and just add a teaspoon of some of this sea salt. Maybe I should have put 1/2 teaspoon, I don't know. But I think it needed some salt. So we give it some salt. Oh yeah. That's gonna be some tangy jerky right there now. Initial shake, 15 minutes. The dehydrator is loaded. And we'll be back in 3 hours and we'll have some jerky. There you have it, video 9 of 50, state-inspired beef jerky recipe marinades, Florida, citrus beef jerky. Check that out. Just take a look at some of these pieces here. Hot, fresh off the dehydrator. We're fixing to give it a try right now. But before we do, check out the playlist on the 50 state-inspired beef jerky recipes. Smells citrusy. It's actually got a beef jerky smell to it. A beef jerky. This is fresh right off the dehydrator, so it's still a little more chewy. I'm getting great citrus flavor. I'm getting great beef jerky taste. I didn't think it would turn out this good. I think that the extra salt that I put at the end is really coming through in this beef jerky. Anyways, I hope you liked this video as much as I did making it. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back. Yeah.